What's up, family? It's Chris from 510 Mobile Detail. Today we're going to be doing a full stealth wrap on this Model Y. Alright, so we just got done prepping this Model Y. Went to go pick up some fishing line. I'm gonna go ahead and do the debagging. Alright, so we just finished day one prepping this vehicle. Had some touch up we had to do on the paint. Took off the side markers, wrapped the rear bumper. See you again tomorrow. What's going on? We're back for day two of this Model Y. And as I pulled it outside, I saw some things with the paint that I'm gonna wanna address before we go ahead and lay the film down. So we got a lot of water spots here on this side. I think the sun's kind of washing it out, so I don't think you can see them. We're gonna go ahead and use Chemical Guys. Oh, there we go. We can go ahead and use Chemical Guys hard water spot remover. Get this taken care of before we lay down the paint protection film. What's going on, family? It's Chris from 510 Mobile Detail, and we just finished this 2023 Model Y. So we did a full paint protection film wrap with Stek Dynomatte. In case you've never seen this before, Stek Dynomatte takes whatever color your car is and turns it into a satin finish.
A lot of people have asked me, what's the difference between vinyl and Dynomatte? And the biggest difference is going to be that although vinyl can change the color of your car, it doesn't provide the same protective qualities as Dynomatte. And Dynomatte, on the other hand, although it can change the finish of your car's paint, cannot change the color. It does, however, provide the protective qualities of paint protection film. So when you inevitably get a rock chip or a small impact, or maybe somebody comes and keys your car, the paint protection film is going to protect your car and save you a trip to the body shop. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out my friends at Tesla Emblems. They got all your Tesla decals, keycard overlays, and charge port overlays. Until next time, stay glossy. It's been Chris from 510 Mobile Detail, and
that's a wrap.